So in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to connect your Xbox controller with your iPhone device. So let's get started. Before that, you need to open your Xbox, turn on it, and you have to enable your Bluetooth also. Press and hold this icon for 6 seconds. Light is jumping. That's mean my Bluetooth also connected. Enable. Now go to your mobile Bluetooth option and you have to find your Xbox controller. This is it. So you have to press on it to pair. Press on pair. So it's now pairing and Xbox wireless controller is connected. So now open FC Mobile 24 on your mobile device and let's play a match. And to play head to head, press on play and wait a couple of seconds to connect with server and the opponent. So it's starting. Now I am taking my control in my hand. You can customize your through your shot, your pass, and all of your skill movement from your FC Mobile 24 setting. So now you can control your player with FC with Xbox controller actually. So this is how you can easily connect and play FC Mobile 24 with your Xbox controller. So hope video helpful. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. If you have any question, feel free to ask in comment section below. Have a good day.